All right. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I want to be talking to you and bringing to your attention my own personal opinion or review on why I personally believe futures trading as a whole is better than stock trading. Okay. I know a lot of people are probably going to stay or, probably beg to differ, especially if you trade stocks, right? But there's a reason behind this. Okay. But first, what I want to talk about is what a lot of people know of as the infamous PDT rule. Okay, so prior to the upcoming change, which I believe goes into effect June of this year, if you say, for instance, bought or sold stocks, okay, prior to this upcoming change, you had to have a minimum of $25,000 in an account. Okay, and also there was a limit in relation to there was only 3 days, 3 trading days in a rolling 5-day period. Okay. With futures, that doesn't exist, but that is what you had to have in an account. And there was, limitation on in regards to the number of trades in a 5-day period that you can actually trade, like I just said. Now, that was what was classified as the actual PDT rule. But like I said, coming up, I believe June this year, that rule, the security or the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission, has actually removed that, and now they've basically eliminated it now. So if you're trading stocks, you don't have to worry about that anymore. So, but prior to that, that was one of the reasons why I would say futures trading is a better option. Okay, because of the amount of money that you would actually have to have in an account of or balance of to be able to trade. Okay, and that is with stocks. Now, what changed with that when the removal of the PD2 rule? Okay, they would change the requirements of the minimum $25,000. That you would have to have in an account, right? Trade limits. With the brokerage. Whatever your choice of broker was, they no longer or will no longer exist in accordance to how many days trades you can actually make in a 5-day period. All right. So how does it actually work now for those that are maybe interested in actually trading stocks? All right. Basically, it means instead of having a static balance in your actual account, now it's all going to be based upon, like in futures trading, it's all going to be based upon margin calculations. All right. Which are going to basically base the amount of actual risk exposure or your risk exposure in the actual market. Okay, so now that has been removed for all stock traders. It's probably a game changer for them and for anyone out there who is interested in trading stocks. Now, one of the disadvantages I would say that kind of refrains me from wanting to trade stocks is I don't like to cherry pick certain or individual things. Okay, I've always been one to hedge my risk based on a basket of things, whether it be 100 different stocks, 1,000 different stocks, whatever it may be. And a lot of you that trade like mutual funds or ETFs know where I'm coming from. But that is trading a different type of asset. Okay, but when it comes to futures trading, there are just so many pros versus cons to trading actual stocks. Now, can you make money trading stocks? Yes, but you have to do a lot of more homework on the back end, figuring out fundamentals, looking at different companies, their balance sheets, trying to see, to kind of project, are they going to have some type of growth, looking at earnings, trying to how an actual company performed. Okay, so that's looking at all that fundamental information gives a trader some insight if they want to invest or not. Okay, or maybe you're already invested in that company, and maybe that's going to shake up the decision whether you're going to sell or not. So I don't like to be involved in that much actual risk. Now, day trading is risky. I'll say that right now, but you really have to understand and know what you're doing. And in my channel, I talk a lot about the strategy I use, risk management, trade management. Are the things, the core elements that you actually need to understand if you want to try to sustain and make it and be a profitable and consistent trader as well. Now let's move over to the pros of why I personally love or like the idea of trading futures, and just why it's just so much more streamlined and simple compared to trading stocks. So number one, let's talk about the leverage. Futures being a more superior leverage way of trading with more buying power than with stocks, especially if you're an active short-term trader. Okay, so what does that mean? All right, that basically means that you don't have to put up as much capital all right, to be able to, trade. Okay. So you hear me in videos talking about, and any other person, if you know anything about margin, all right, where it doesn't require as much to trade per contract. So let's say, for example, you want to trade the E-mini S&P 500. Okay. Depending on the broker, the margin could be $400 to buy or sell per contract. Okay. Depending on the broker, some brokers may require $500. So every particular market has a set margin depending on the broker just as well. All right. So that is actually a pro when it comes to futures trading. Don't have to put as much capital up, which means right up front, you can actually, apply with a brokerage company, get your own brokerage or live brokerage account, and with a small amount of money, be on your way to trading, especially micro futures, which require a whole lot less money than trading the full-on standard, E-mini. So like I said, if you're someone that was interested in trading, like say the micro MES, which is the the smaller version of the standard E-mini contract of the ES, which is the S&P 500, the margin on that could be as low as $40 per contract, depending on your broker. So, like I said, you have a whole lot more buying power in terms of leverage. All right, so let's move on to the next thing, which is there are no day trading restrictions. Okay, so like with stocks, say for example, the markets are only open and have strict trading hours between the hours of 9:30 a.m. Eastern time to 4 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, with limited pre-market and after-hour, trading. With futures, it's pretty much open up 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and typically more than that because it's open from Monday to Friday, and then it reopens again on Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So there's a whole lot more opportunity to trade, a whole lot more hours to trade with futures than with trading stocks. So you can place more trades, less trades, depending on, there's more opportunity to look for to take trades when it comes to actual futures. Now, let's go into my third topic, or third reason or pro why I believe futures is better than trading actual stocks. And that is going to be the tax advantage that's received when it comes to trading futures. Now, if you don't know anything about Section 1256, which is related or in relation to future contracts, it is a plus plus. So what do I mean by that right now? So this means regardless of or how long you actually hold a position, okay, short term, long term, depending on your style of trading, your profits are only taxed at 60 or taxed at the 60-40 rule. What does that mean? 60% of your gains are actually taxed at a lower, okay, long-term capital gain tax rate, all right, which comes out to be better on the end, and 40% of that at a short-term, basically ordinary income rate. So you actually come out a whole lot better in terms of taxes with the 60-40 split rule, okay, taxation versus trading stocks. That's why a lot of people love trading futures, because they get classified as a Section 1256 active day trader. So let's move on to the last pro that is the reason why I personally love trading futures. And that means that there is no short selling restrictions like there are within the stock market. Okay. So short sales when you're stock trading can be difficult if a broker does not have the shares available to actually borrow against. Okay. So you may be, with that being said, you may be subject to an uptick rule. All right. Now, when it comes to futures, going short is just as easy as going long. It's the exact same requirements whether you're going long or going short. You don't have to worry about that. So that's some of the reasons why I personally love trading futures over stocks or any of the other assets or whatever the case is that you can actually trade, options, forex. I prefer to trade futures, especially because of the taxation, taxation rule there. So let me know, what you guys, your reason why, if you trade futures, why you love trading futures. What are some of the things that you love about trading futures? Does any of this ring a bell to you? If you're a stock trader, let me know why you trade stocks. Nothing wrong with, being on the opposite end of it. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing to actually trade stocks. I mean, you just have to really do a whole lot more homework. And futures, you just really have to more so just kind of define, understanding the concepts, whether it's market structure. First of all, picking the market you want to trade, but then, because once you learn the core elements or concepts of trading, you can apply that when it comes to the future markets regardless. With stocks, there's so many other, things that you have to look at, especially fundamentals side of things. Futures is more so looking from a technical standpoint without all the fundamentals. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd like to hear from you, as well, for all those who are watching this video today. But that's going to sum up today's video. Again, anything that I talk about here on my channel in reference to, first of all, I want to say this, no matter what you trade and how you actually trade, it's going to be risky, okay? So you have to understand the risk in any type of trading. Just as you could make money and the sky's the limit, you can lose money just as well. So I'm not in any way a financial or tax advisor, so I would highly recommend that you seek one before you start investing in any form of securities and purchasing any assets out there. So please do that. I'm just providing educational and entertainment content here based upon my own research and my own style and preference of how I personally trade and my decisions and things I do trade. Okay. So I just share, my opinion and information that I'm privy to. And that's what I cover here on my channel, but mostly about the strategy and how I trade and use surrounding futures, which is the same strategy that those who are part of the Discord community or part of the channel spend time, has spent loads of time of mastering that particular concept, which I share publicly here on my channel. But if you're interested in really digging deep to understanding the strategy, just like so many people who are part of our Discord, there's a test. I'm gonna say this right now. There's a testimonial section on the Discord, and within that testimonial channel there, you'll find personal comments and all positive things about what I have been discussing and sharing on the channel, which has helped people transform their own trading from those that started at a beginner level to now passing prop firm evaluations or trading with their own live account, and they're making money now. They're taking payouts. All right. So the strategy which I share and how I trade, it definitely works. Okay, I'll say that right now. You can come over to the Discord, become part of a Discord, and be a Discord member. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you may want to think about becoming just like those individuals, an elite or an ultra elite supporter. That is where I go into detail. I mean, concretely go into detail about the blueprint and the cornerstone to how I trade, the strategy, how I trade, my methodology. I share it, I break it down in every trade setup that I actually take. So if you join the Discord, you'll see a channel titled The Trading Floor. And on there, you'll see where I post my trades every day. But then I go back within the private community for those who are part of the elite or ultra elite supporter group or membership, where I break down my trades. That is where, that is the blueprint to where I cover the strategy as a whole, going through and talking about market structure. First of all, using top-down analysis. That's part of the strategy. Using supply and demand, scaling down from a higher chart to a mid-level chart to, the final entry chart. But it's all surrounding supply and demand and sharing with you what to look for, how to trade it, in terms of market structure, price action, where to place your stops at, where to place your profits at. Just giving you a roadmap that could be something that could definitely help you in your own personal trading. You can become an elite or ultra elite supporter or member by simply clicking the join button right below the video. You see a tab there that says join. You click on that, a few tiers are going to pop up. Now, from there, you're going to see the perks and rewards with the price tag. You can become an elite supporter and receive all that valuable video content, which is not made public here on the channel. If you choose to become a member, something that can help you, hopefully, for $6.99 a month. That's it. Think about it. I mean, how many of you probably spend more than $5, $6, $7, $8 a day on the price of a cup of coffee? You add it up on the week. How much money have you actually spent? $50, $60? So here's something on a monthly basis of less than 24 cents on a day that could be game changing for you. All right. Now, I can't guarantee anything, because no one can guarantee anything to anyone out there. It's all about what you put into it, the amount of time, the work, understanding the concepts, just pounding away and putting things into work based upon what you've learned. Okay. That means back testing and forward testing to see if the strategy is going to be something that works for you. But it's other things outside of just a system as a whole that affect traders. And that's the psychological standpoint. The habits, the fear, the greed, FOMO, all those things. You have to understand who you are as a person and your limitations and knowing how to work your way through things. So that's why no guarantees. It's all about what you put into it and knowing yourself if you can do so or not. But I share the information. It's all on how you apply it. So if you're interested in becoming an elite or ultra elite supporter, click the join button to become a member today. Outside of that, that's all I have. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend. Do me the biggest favor. If you have not done so already, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe right here on the channel right now by clicking that subscribe button. Click the share button and make sure to drop a like by clicking the thumbs up button. Great. That's going to be it, guys. I appreciate it. Take care and have a fabulous weekend.